Hi, this is Dr. Sanjay Sethi, an Astro-Numerologist and Rudraksha expert. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you want to overcome emotional, energetic and spiritual blockages that hold you back when seeking wealth? In today's video, I'll be talking about 4 crystals that can help you attract success, money and wealth. First, a point to clarify. Crystals can't make money without effort from your side. That's not how they work. We wish, but some experts believe that you can use them strategically to help manifest the energy you need to achieve your financial dreams. It's with continued attention and intention that we manifest anything, including success, money and wealth. So perhaps the right crystals can help by reminding us of the goals we set. Crystals can actually help you overcome emotional, energetic and spiritual blockages that hold you back when seeking wealth, while strengthening your intentions for a better financial future. So the first stone is citrine. As the lucky merchant stone, it's often associated with financial success in business, and it's one of the most powerful crystals for manifesting money. It's not just useful for overcoming roadblocks to earning money, but to keeping it too. This stone will also help encourage you in life. By being generous, you can create a circle of wealth which benefits both you and others. So if you are looking for ways to make, save or spend money wisely, use citrine to amplify your intention. Jade is the next stone we'll talk about. Jade is another great crystal that is popularly known for attracting success and luck, not necessarily only money. This crystal was actually valuable in ancient China for this reason, along with its attractive colors. By placing jade in your home, you are instantly cleansing the environment and allowing space for gentleness to grow. Along with purity, jade is also a stone that brings harmony and balance, which makes it a great addition to the workplace. Having jade on your desk will attract abundance and prosperity, along with making sure that you are flowing in your own communication and creativity and protected from negative vibes. Jade will also work with the heart chakra, and this will keep your hope for wealth in balance with your emotional wants. This will balance your ambition with your fellow feelings and promote a better understanding of the people in your life. Now let's talk about Labradorite. The name that it is originally from where it's first found in Labrador, that is Canada. This crystal commonly comes in astounding colors of pale green, grey, white and various shades of blue, commonly with speckles of shimmering blue and gold flashes. That is what makes them look eye-catching and mesmerizing. The blue Labradorite has been linked with psychic intuition, journeys of one's soul as well as spiritualism. There are lots of benefits that you can get in this stone. More than its elegance and prettiness, it is also known to possess strong healing powers. For beginners, it may help in relieving anxiety and stress. That is mainly due to the energy which you acquire from the gem that may cleanse the body of any toxins. It may also get rid of some other harmful energies that are brought by some other people whom you meet and deal with each day. Labradorite may attract luck also. This is the reason why it is also known as the good luck stone. If you are wishing for your good fortune, success and abundance in life, this is a stone that you must never be without. This is a good stone to possess in order to protect you against any sort of misfortune. Nonetheless, there are some things which are unavoidable in this world. It will also help you in recovering and getting back on your feet so quickly and in the most positive way. To begin with, relationships are so challenging. However, when you are guided by this stone's uplifting energy, you will never feel afraid or lost. You will never feel insecure, unhappy, or like you are the only one going through emotions. This particular stone is a great companion when you are experiencing changes in your own relationship. The change may be scary and so overwhelming, and it may sometimes affect both of you, no matter how you and your other half love each other. Now let's talk about another powerful stone, amethyst. Amethyst is a powerful and protective stone. It guards against psychic attack, transmuting the energy into love and protecting the wearer from all types of harm, including geopathic or electromagnetic stress and ill wishes from others. Amethyst is a natural tranquilizer. It relieves stress and strain, soothes irritability, balances mood swings, dispels anger, rage, fear, and anxiety. It alleviates sadness and grief and dissolves negativity. Amethyst activates spiritual awareness, opens intuition, and enhances psychic abilities. It has strong healing and cleansing powers. Amethyst encourages sobriety, having a sobering effect on overindulgence of alcohol, drugs, or other addictions. It calms and stimulates the mind, helping you to become more focused, enhancing memory, and improving motivation. Amethyst assists in remembering and understanding dreams as well. It relieves insomnia, encourages selflessness and spiritual wisdom. Amethyst boosts hormone production, tunes the endocrine system and metabolism. It strengthens the immune system, reduces pain, and strengthens the body to fight against cancer. It destroys malignant tumors and aids in tissue regeneration. Cleanses the blood. It also relieves physical, emotional, and psychological pain or stress. Amethyst eases headaches and releases tension. It reduces bruising, swellings, injuries, and treats hearing disorders. Amethyst heals diseases of the lungs and respiratory tract, skin conditions, cellular disorders, and diseases of the digestive tract. I hope you have liked this video. Please like and share. To keep watching more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. God bless.